Discover the delectable delights of French cuisine. Top 10 must-try dishes. Welcome to our culinary adventure through the world of French food. A fusion of exquisite flavors and timeless traditions. French cuisine is renowned for its elegance and sophistication. 1. Let's begin with the iconic French dish, Escargot de Bourgogne. These tender snails cooked in garlic butter are a true delicacy, often served as an appetizer. Don't let the thought of snails deter you. The rich flavors will leave you wanting more. 2. No tour of French cuisine is complete without coq au vin. This classic dish features tender chicken cooked in red wine with mushrooms, onions, and bacon. It's a hearty and comforting meal that is sure to satisfy your taste buds. 3. Indulge in the velvety texture of Bouillabaisse, a hearty fish stew originating from the Provence region. Bursting with the flavors of various seafood, herbs, and spices, this dish will transport you to the sunny shores of the French Riviera. 4. Craving something sweet? Try Tarte Tatin, a caramelized upside-down apple tart. The buttery crust and caramelized apples create a combination that is both indulgent and irresistible, a perfect ending to any meal. 5. Duck confit is a dish that epitomizes the art of French cooking. This slow-cooked duck leg is tender, crispy, and packed with flavor. Served with golden potatoes, it's a true culinary masterpiece. 6. The next must-try dish on our list is Ratatouille. This vibrant vegetable stew showcases the essence of Provençal cuisine. Bursting with the flavors of ripe tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, and eggplant, it's a celebration of summer on a plate. 7. Step into the world of cheese with the heavenly fondue savoyard. This communal dish features melted cheese, typically Gruyere and Emmental, enjoyed by dipping crusty bread. It's a warm and comforting experience to share with loved ones. 8. Coquilles. Saint-Jacques, or scallops in creamy sauce, are a true delight for seafood lovers. Often served as an indulgent starter, these succulent scallops are bathed in a luscious sauce made with white wine, mushrooms, and shallots. 9. Bœuf Bourguignon is a timeless French classic that will satisfy any meat lover. This slow-cooked beef stew, simmered in red wine, is rich, tender, and full of robust flavors. Serve it with mashed potatoes or crusty bread for the ultimate comfort food experience. 10. Last but certainly not least, we have the irresistible Crème Brûlée. This creamy vanilla custard is topped with a caramelized sugar crust, creating a delightful contrast of textures. A heavenly ending to any French feast. Thanks for joining us on this culinary journey through the top 10 must-try French dishes. We hope you enjoyed discovering the delectable delights of French cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering content.